Unlock flexible payments for your Target hauls like never before. Ever wish you could spread out the cost of that new gaming console or those home decor essentials from Target? Well, now you can, thanks to Affirm. Using Affirm for your Target purchases, whether online or in-store, is a straightforward process designed to make your shopping more accessible and budget-friendly. First things first, when you're shopping on Target.com, just add your desired items to your online cart as usual. Proceed to checkout, and when you reach the payment options, you'll see Affirm listed there. Tap on it to begin the process. You'll be prompted to apply for Affirm. This typically involves providing some basic personal information to help complete your application. Affirm will then perform a quick credit check. Don't worry, this won't affect your credit score. If approved, you'll be presented with personalized payment plan options. Choose the plan that best suits your budget, often with options for 3, 6, or even 12-month installments. Once you've selected your plan, simply confirm your purchase with Affirm. Your Target order will then be processed, and you'll have your payments neatly divided. Now, for in-store shopping, it's just as easy. When you're ready to pay at the register, let the cashier know you'd like to use Affirm. You'll typically scan a QR code in the Affirm app or have your Affirm virtual card ready to complete the transaction. This allows you to take home your items today and spread the payments over time, making those bigger purchases much more manageable. Affirm offers a fantastic way to get what you need from Target now and pay for it in a way that works for you. Happy shopping!